She makes little noises when she sleeps. It's so cute.
Okay, so the bunker is real.
She's so snuggly. You can go back to sleep. Getting sleepy. Look at that big yawn.